The speed at which the milk is poured is another variable where the barista has complete control over. By changing the speed can create different outcomes. For this, a slower, steady, and faster pour will be shown. Pouring the milk slowly resulted in the thinner milk coming from the back of the jug to the front. The lack of thickness did not stabilize the crema, causing it to break away from the sides of the cup. The lack of force behind the milk resulted in the milk coming through quite late in the pour. This did not produce the fanning effect needed to create a fuller, more rounded shape. Pouring the milk quicker produced too much force, resulting in the breakage and dilution of crema. This gave the design less contrast and definition. The extra force, however, did give the design a fuller, more rounded shape. We find that speed affects a couple of factors. These factors are crema stability, when the milk comes through, and the fullness of the design. Both pouring slower and faster can break up the crema. However, pouring slower can prolong the milk coming through, whereas pouring faster will do just the opposite. Pouring faster can give the design a fuller, more rounded shape, whereas pouring slower will do just the opposite. Changing the speed of the pour may give more control over when the milk comes through, as well as the shape of the design. It can also manipulate the thickness of the milk leaving the spout. Practice by slowing and speeding up the pour and at different stages to see how the milk mixes with the espresso. Consistency refers to the thickness of the milk after heating. As the barista needs different consistency depending on what type of milk-based coffee is being prepared, it is useful to point out how this variable can affect latte art. 3 different levels of consistency will be shown, being thinner, thick, and thicker.